guys, Ring here. New setting and stuff because I'm in the kitchen. But I'm going to be trying to do a slime court again. I got very disappointed yesterday because I couldn't. So I want to retry. So yeah, let's just get into it. Alright, so the first one is this one. It's a cake. It's very slow rising. I don't know why it wasn't that time, but it's pretty slow rising. And then this one. Oh, it's a tiger onesie. There's a tiger, and there's actually a bunny onesie correction. Out of the two, I'm gonna pick the cake. My dog is up here, and she's really hot, so that's why you might hear breathing in the background. Okay, next I'm gonna put this over here, I guess. Next I have this one. You see it in my other video. There is a few defects, but it's just right there. But it's actually pretty slow rising. Ace, you can't eat the squishy. And then that's up against this. I really don't like the squishy because it's like, I mean, it's kind of slow rising, but like, it's just not cute. So obviously I'm gonna pick this. So that was these two. Next, I'm gonna take out these because I can feel what they are. I don't think that's fair. Okay, so next I have this panda bread. Kind of slow rising, but not like, ooh. Then I have this koala. It's really defected, but it's super soft. And it's so slow rising. So, pick this. Next I have this one. I've never opened it before. It has no defects. Smells really good. But it's a narwhal thing. Really super slow rising. I think that even this is more slow rising than this. It's super soft too. And that's up against this. Okay. This is a super cute pig. It is really slow rising. Like the back is slow rising. But there's no defects. Nope. But I still could pick this. Because obviously it has value to me if it's still in the packaging. Next, we're going to do these two. Okay, so this one feels really dense. It's not really slow rising, but I really do love this one. It feels like a marshmallow, and it's super slow rising. And for a little one, it is like phenomenal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm sorry, but this was like super defected. I'm not gonna go into why because it's a little bit dirty right there, but it's super defected. It's not my fault at all, guys. I'll probably buy a new one because I love this one so much, but sorry. Okay. Oh no, let's do a contest between which one's more so rising. I think this one won. So I'm gonna do this one. Alright, next I'm gonna do this one. I thought I got scammed with it, but it's actually pretty big. If you compare it like these two, it's actually pretty big. But it's super slow rising too. And it's not named brand. but it was still pretty expensive. I think it was like $6 or something. But yeah, it has actually really good detail on it. This is a sticker, I think, because it's like, it doesn't feel like a squishy material. It feels, I don't know how to describe it, but it doesn't feel like squishy, if you know what I mean. I think this is like, you know, like slime, and then when it dries out on the top, it just feels, it doesn't feel like slime, but it is slime. That's what this feels like. But it's not named brand, as you can see. There's no licensing. But okay, this still goes over here. Next, I have this. I hate this squishy so much. It smelled so bad. You can go watch my video. I think it's actually on my other account though. But there's really no defects besides the strawberries and probably some of the frosting. Yeah. But it's because I tried to wash it. I don't know why I did, but I did. So that's the last thing. So obviously I'm gonna pick this. The only reason why I tried to wash it is because it smelled really bad. So yeah. Next we have these two. There's this heart. And this is a mini panda bun that I also love. It's not super white, but this one only has a defect like right there. And I don't even know how that happened. This one was given to me. But besides that, there's no defects. And there's really no defects in this. But I'm still gonna pick this one. Alright. I'm still in my eye. Alright, next is these two. So there's this bread. I really don't like the face on it at all. Kind of not so rising. It's something because it's like super soft material. I don't even know what it is, but it feels like I don't know what it feels like. It feels like nothing but like really soft, if you know what I mean. It just feels like you just want to like lay on it like a cloud. And it's like, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's just so soft. They're also super slow rising. So I'm gonna pick this one. Wait, this one got picked out of 5, right? Yeah. So this one actually goes over here. Wait. I look, so I'm gonna go in the corner. Alright, so next I have this bread that I actually really like. It's kind of slow rising for like a bread. And I have this one. It's kind of slow rising. Really not. I think I'm gonna pick the bread though. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, I didn't even get in the bag. Okay. Next I have this panda bun, which is a bigger one of this one. How convenient. They both have the same face in the bow. Oh my god. This one's not really slow rising at all. But this one definitely is. Like for a panda bun, this is actually pretty like slow rising, I guess. But like they should make like jumbo ones. Like not the eggs, but like a jumbo one. Okay, so out of these 5, I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. There's the heart, this one, this bread, this super soft material, cat kind of thing, and this panda bun. I don't know. Let's do a contest. Even though I think that this will win because it's bigger, still do it. This one actually wasn't too far off for this one, so I'm going to pick this one. That's actually really amazing for a small squishy. Alright. So next, I have these two. Oh, so this is a sticky donut. It is super slow rising. It has a star on it. There are no defects, I don't think. Nope. No defects at all. And then I have this one. It's not slow rising at all, pretty much. And it makes a huge mess. That's why I haven't sold the packaging that came in. But the detail is like really good on it, actually. But I'm still gonna pick this one because it's super cute. It is sticky and slow rising. Okay, so next I have this dense defected. I don't know if you can see all those defects. And yeah. And this sticky, slow rising pink fish that I actually really like. So I'm gonna pick this. Don't like my nails are terrible because I put Sharpie on them. I really don't know why I did that, but I did, and yeah. I was looking at my paintings, but making sure they were dry. Okay, so I have this ladybug bun is what I'm gonna call it, but this is like one of my first ones, I think. There's no defects in it. Oh, yeah, there is. Ready? 3, 2, 1. But it's actually not that much. The only one that you can really notice is right here, which I think that's about it. It's up against this, thingy, pancakes. There's a little bit of defects around the butter, just because it's like, it's hard to not get affected when they're like this, but I still could pick this one. Alright. Next is these two. I really like this one. It's super spicy. Just look at that. And unlike this one, super cute. It's super cute compared to this one. There's really no defects in the back, if not none.